My name is Selhun Yunus. I am from 4B. The story that I like from this school is Gingerbread Man. Run, run as fast as you can. You cannot catch me. I'm the Gingerbread Man.
Hi kids, I'm back again. Today we're going to read a story which is written by Colin West, and the title of this story is One Day in the Jungle. Now today we're going to read together, so you're going to follow my instruction and we're going to do it, alright? Okay, stay tuned. One day in the jungle, there was a little sneeze. Can you sneeze with me? Sure. A very little sneeze. Can you sneeze? Good, I heard you sneeze. Bless you, butterfly, said Lizard. Next day in the jungle, there was not quite so little sneeze. Achoo! Can you do it? Achoo! Bless you, Lizard, said Parrot. Next day in the jungle, there was a medium-sized sneeze. Now you see, there was little and a little bit, and then medium-sized. You see? It's growing up. So can you sneeze with the parrot now? So next day in the jungle, there was a medium-sized sneeze. Now it's parrot. Let's sneeze together. Can you sneeze? Shoo! Can you sneeze? Shoo! Good. So bless you, parrot, said monkey. Now it's monkey's turn. You're going to sneeze like a monkey. Next day in the jungle, there was a big sneeze. Now monkey's going to sneeze. They are going to sneeze with the monkey, and I'm going to sneeze with the monkey. Achoo! Can you sneeze? Achoo! Very good. Now, bless you, monkey, said tiger. Next day in the jungle, there was a very big sneeze. The tiger is going to sneeze. I'm going to sneeze a really sneeze now. You can try with me. Achoo! Achoo! You see? So, bless you, tiger, said hippo. Next day in the jungle, there was an enormous sneeze. Hippo is going to sneeze. We're going to sneeze with the hippo now. Achoo! 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 Bless you, hippo, said elephant. Kids, can you guess who's going to sneeze now? It's elephant, right? So, next day in the jungle, there was a gigantic sneeze. Who's going to sneeze? The elephant. Now, I cannot sneeze like the elephant, but let's try with him, right? Even if it's a squeaky sneeze. Achoo! Said the elephant. Only once, not twice, just like the other animals. Now, there was no one to say bless you, so the elephant said, bless me, said elephant. I have blown away the jungle. So when the elephant sneezed, he blew away the jungle with his gigantic sneeze. Alright kids, I hope you enjoyed the sneezing story. So I'm going to see you next week. Bye bye. Don't forget to comment, share, like, subscribe as usual.